Domino's Pizza, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, mission, and vision of Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza is one of the most well-known pizza brands in the USA. The company was started in the 1960s by Tom Monahan and became successful thanks to its franchise model. Domino's makes money by selling freshly made pizzas, snacks, drinks, and extras, and by using smart technology like phone apps and the Domino's tracker, which helps deliver hot pizza fast. The brand's mission is to serve tasty, high-quality pizza and to help local business owners through a trusted franchise system. Anecdote. A fun fact is that many Domino's store owners started out as pizza makers or delivery drivers, showing that success can start from the bottom. 1. How does a Domino's pizza franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Domino's works through a franchise system. This means different people run their own stores by following the company's rules. Fee structure. Franchise owners pay a one-time fee and also pay 5%-8% of their yearly income to Domino's. Support from Domino's Pizza. Domino's gives a lot of help, like special technology, marketing plans, and full training programs.
Anecdote. Many early franchise owners first worked at Domino's, which inspired them to open their own stores.
2. Entry costs for Domino's Pizza. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. It costs between $1,650 and $7,435 to start. This includes the franchise fee, fixing up the store, buying equipment, getting supplies, training, and other beginning costs. Potential earnings. If the store is in a good place and is run well, it can make more than $1,200,000 a year. Profit is usually around 10%-20%.
Anecdote. The first store opened with the smallest investment, but it became one of the top earners, inspiring others to try.
3. Step by step. How to register a Domino's Pizza franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. It starts by talking to the Domino's franchise team. They check if the person is a good fit and meet to discuss the details. Documentation. You need a full business plan, money records, and proof of food service experience. Duration. The whole process takes about 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One person prepared everything so well that they opened their store in just 3 months, exciting the whole town.
4. Taxes and fees in Domino's Pizza. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Income taxes are between 10%-35% of yearly earnings. Property taxes. Property taxes are 1%-5% of the yearly income, for renting or owning the store. State and local taxes. These are about 1%-3% of yearly income and include sales tax, use tax, and local business fees. Licensing fees. These are 5%-8% of yearly income, not including training costs. Marketing fees. These cost about 5% of yearly income.
Anecdote. One store owner explained these fees so clearly, they invited students to learn real-life math using pizza business numbers.
5. Hiring employees in Domino's Pizza. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Domino's store has 15 to 20 workers like pizza makers, cooks, servers, and drivers. Training costs. Training costs between $300 and $700 per person to teach how to make pizza, talk to customers, and follow company rules. Training systems. The training mixes in-person lessons and online learning, so people learn fast and well.
Anecdote. One trainer held yearly dough-making contests. This fun event became famous and made the team stronger.
6. Domino's Pizza. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Every month it costs about $2,000 for flour, cheese, sauce, and other fresh food. Salaries and benefits. Paying employees costs about $3,000 monthly. Rent and utilities. Rent and bills, electricity, water, gas, cost around $1,000 each month. Insurance for premises. Insurance for the building and equipment is about $2,500 monthly. Maintenance and utility. Repairs and upkeep cost around $1,000 per month. Licensing and marketing fees. These add up to about $3,000 per month. Total of all taxes. All taxes together are about $3,500 per month.
Anecdote. One store held a contest to find ways to lower daily costs, which raised profits and helped other owners do the same.
7. Training and support. How does Domino's Pizza help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Domino's gives a 12-month training where new owners work as general managers and learn how to run the store. Operational support. Regional managers visit often to give advice and help stores do their best. E-learning platform. An online platform helps owners stay up to date with new rules and training. Marketing. National marketing campaigns help boost local sales and make the brand stronger.
Anecdote. After finishing training, one new owner held a pizza festival with free samples. It brought in lots of happy customers.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Domino's Pizza. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Company staff visit every few months to check if everything meets Domino's standards. Internal inspections. Owners also check their own stores once a year and do regular checks to keep quality high. Frequency. Inspections happen 3 to 4 times a year, depending on past results.
Anecdote. In a Chicago store, a surprise inspection found small mistakes that were quickly fixed. Customers loved the improvements.
9. Profitability of Domino's Pizza. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Thanks to a strong brand and fast delivery system, Domino's stores make steady money. ROI. The return on investment is usually 10%, 20% a year, and owners usually earn back their startup costs in 3 to 5 years. Success factors. Success depends on good store location, smart management, and online order technology.
Anecdote. One Denver store earned back all the investment in just 2.5 years, inspiring young business people to follow.
10. Domino's Pizza in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Domino's is a top pizza delivery brand with over 6,000 stores in the USA and over 2,000 worldwide. Growth and expansion. The company grows 3%, 5% each year and is expanding quickly in other countries. Challenges and future forecast. Even though food costs are rising and competition is strong, like Pizza Hut and Papa John's, Domino's keeps investing in tech, which helps it grow.
Anecdote. A market expert said the Domino's app became popular not just with kids, but also with older adults, showing the brand fits all ages.
11. Pros and cons of a Domino's pizza franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. A strong, well-known brand that customers trust. B. Smart technology that makes ordering and delivery easier. C. Full training and help, including a 12-month program. D. A proven business model that helps stores grow steadily. Cons. A. High starting costs from $1,564 to $743,500. B. Regular license and marketing fees, 5%, 8%, and 5% yearly, that lower profit. C. You need experience and must work hard to run the store. D. Tough competition in pizza delivery that pushes stores to keep quality high.
Anecdote. One store owner in a small town set a new sales record, proving that hard work beats high fees.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Check your local area and how many people want pizza. That's key to success. Financial assessment. Carefully look at startup and monthly costs and expected income to see if it's worth it. Consultations with experts. Talk to other owners and experts to avoid mistakes that cost a lot. Support evaluation. Make sure Domino's offers enough training and marketing help. Franchise agreement analysis. Read the agreement closely to find any hidden fees or problems.
Anecdote. One investor used expert advice and avoided a big mistake. His smart move inspired future owners.
Conclusion. Who is the Domino's Pizza franchise for, and is it worth investing? Domino's Pizza is great for business-minded people who want to join a trusted brand with a working plan. This franchise is for people ready to work hard and stick with it long-term. Even though it costs a lot to start, $15,650 to $743,500, and has regular fees, it offers steady income, lots of help, and usually pays back in 3 to 5 years. If you like modern technology, fast delivery systems, and strong support, Domino's Pizza could help you succeed. It's a business that can bring profit and help build a fun, pizza-loving local community. Anecdote. In one small town, the store owner finished training, got his money back faster than expected, and turned his store into a popular hangout spot with pizza parties, proving that Domino's can be both a business and a passion. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Chipotle Mexican Grill. Is Chipotle Mexican Grill a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.